Hello guys, this is Amisha here. So we'll be solving two sum problem today. So let us first read the problem. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay. So what is the problem states that we have been given an array of integers and we have a target, right? And what are we supposed to do is that we have to return the index value or the value of the index such that the element present at that index, the elements present at those index sum up to the given target. Okay, so let us first see the first example. So we have an array a equal to 2, 7, 11, and 15. Okay, and we have the target. Okay, so the answer is 0 and 1. So how is the answer 0 and 1? At 0th index, what do we have? We have 2, and at first index we have 7, right? So a of 0 plus a of 1 equal to 9. Why? 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So before building any type of intuition, let us see a very basic formula which we have already learned in our schools. That is a plus b equal to sum, right? We know the addition a plus b equal to sum. So if a plus b is equal to sum, then what can be the b value? B value can be sum minus a. How am I saying this? Let us say we have 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3 equal to 5, right? We have 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So can I say if this value was not known, so how would you find it? That is 5 minus 2, right? 5 minus 2, right? So we can apply the same concept over here, and we have a formula that if a plus b equal to sum, then b is equal to sum minus a, right? So let us see how we are going to implement this. So we will be using the map data structure. We already know, I hope you already guys know that what a map data structure is. It is a structure which stores the data in the form of key value pair. So what will be the key value here? We will be storing each and every element of the array were mapped to its particular index value, right? Particular index value. Okay, so how is this going to help us? Let us see. So let us say we have this map, okay, where 2 is mapped to 0, 7 is mapped to 1, 11 is mapped to 2, and 15 is mapped to 3. Why? Because 2 is at 0th index, 7 is at first, 11 is at 2, and 15 is at 3. So all of them are mapped to their particular index. Okay, we already know this formula, that is a plus b equal to s, then b equal to, we can know the second value as sum minus a, sum minus the first element, right? So what we can do is we can run a loop. We can run a loop, for loop. We can run a for loop from 0th index to the last index of the array, and for every element, right? We know the first element, that is the current element, right? For every element, can I check if there exists an element whose value is equal to sum minus array of I, right? Can I check it? Okay. How am I saying this? I'm just putting the values in this formula. Why? Because I don't know what the second value is, right? I just know the first value. So for every element a of I, can I check if there exists any element sum minus a of I present inside my array? And how can we check it? By using our map, right? By using our map. And if at all I get any particular, at any index, if I'm getting a value uh whose, if there is an element whose sum minus a of I, that is sum minus the element, is present inside our array, then we can just push it inside our answer vector. So let us see its code. So we'll be coding it. So first we'll take the answer vector, answer, right? And then we are taking an map of int comma int, right? Empty. That is, it is storing a of I to I, right? So we are going at every index I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size, I plus plus. I'm going at every index. What is the first thing I'm checking? I'm checking if we know our formula, a plus b gives sum. Okay. Then b equal to sum minus a. Okay, sum minus a. We know this formula. So at every index, I am checking it. I'm finding if empty dot find target minus target is my sum value minus the current element. Okay, or let us say int a equal to nums of I. Okay, so I have to find b, right? I have to find b. So what will be my b? B is target minus b equal to target minus a, right? So that is what I'm finding, that at every element, at every index, if mp dot find target minus a is not equal to mp dot end, that is, if it is present in my, if it is present in my map, that means it is present inside my array. So what I can do is I can just push back, right? And I can return my answer from here. But if at all this is not the case, I have to push all the elements inside my list. So mp of nums of I equal to I. And at the end, I'm returning my answer.